Dear students, greetings from Dr. T. Senthilmurugan, Associate Professor and Head Department of Information Technology, Kakatiya Institute of Technology and Science, Varangal. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about LSIP ladder concept in C programming. Okay. So, in this video lecture, we are going to discuss about LSIP ladder concept. So, after completion of this lecture, student will be able to write a C program to using conditional statements like LSIP ladder concept. How this is working? Okay. So previously nested if we check the condition true, we can check next condition. If condition true, next we will check next condition like that. True or false, it will check next conditions. So here we will check true and false conditions also. If condition true, what it will do? If condition fails, what it will do? Like that, we will give 5 conditions or n number of conditions we will give. Okay. For example, I want to give hall ticket to you. I have to check you are IT student, you are first year student, you are studying first semester, you are studying PPSC or not. Like that, I have to check. First, how I will write if you are first year or not. First year or not. Then, if condition true, I have to check. Okay, you are you are studying first semester or not. Okay, so this condition fails. If you are not first year, then I have to check. Else, if you are maybe first semester student, first semester or not. So if you are first semester, then we can proceed something. Otherwise, if you are not first year, you are not first semester. Then I have to check you are studying PPSC or not. Okay. So any one of the conditions should be true. Then it will following statement will be executed. Okay. So if you are PPSC student, then it will execute this part. If even you are not first year, not like that. If you are not first year, if you are not first semester students, if you are not studying PPSC, so we will check all the conditions. Else if you are admitted in 22-23 year or not. So any one of the condition true, I will issue the hall ticket. Okay. So like that, the ladder statement will work. Okay. So the condition true, statement 1 will be executed. If condition 2 is true, then statement 2 will be executed. Okay. Then otherwise, if condition it is failed, then it will check the second condition. If it is failed, it will check the third condition. If it is failed, it will go for checking the next condition like that up to n number of statements. So all the condition fails. Okay. Then only we can do the default statement. You are not kids W students. So example, I will check these conditions. You are kids W students or not. If you are all, you are not kids W students, you are not first year, you are not first semester students, you are not PPSC, not studying, you are not admitted in 20 to 23, all the condition fails. Then simply you can say you are not kids W students, I am not given hall ticket. Like that I can say. Okay. This is else if ladder condition. See here. We'll check the condition 1, first if condition. Condition true, the statement will work. Else it will check another condition. Okay. So if condition is true, then it will execute the statement 2. Or otherwise, this statement will check another condition. Okay. There is no block of statement for if false. It is not else if. Okay. It is else if ladder. Okay. So like that, n conditions till any number of conditions we can check continuously. If condition true, it will do this statement. If condition fails, means it will check another condition. Finally, all the conditions are failed, then default statement will be work. Okay. So finally, it will go for next statement. This is a flowchart for else if ladder statement. Okay. So what are the things we have to remind while we are writing the else if ladder? This construct is known as else if ladder. The conditions are evaluated from the top to downwards. First condition, second condition, third condition, like that. So as soon as true condition is found, okay. So wherever we are find the true condition, the entire remaining statements will be skipped. Okay, skipping the rest of the ladders. Directly will come for statement X. If condition fails means it will check the next condition till last condition. Okay, condition N. See here simple electric power distribution. So they want to check how much amount. So first it will check the electric reading is 0 to 200. Then it will calculate 50 per unit. Okay. So if it is fails, then it will check. It will 200 to 400 or not. If it is 200 to 400 means 100 plus 65 per unit we have to do. If it is not belongs to 400, then we have to check 400 to 600. Then 230 rupees we can give per unit, 80 rupees we will charge. Okay, excess of 400. So till all these three conditions are failed, then we can check nth condition is it is above 600 or not. If above 600 means we have to calculate this statement. That's all. How we can write it? We'll get the reading. So how we can write reading R? So integer equal to R reading will take. So if R is less than 200, okay, then we'll check what is the value unit, okay, reading values. So example cost equal to reading into 0.50 will write. Else it is not between less than 200, else if again I am checking another condition 200 to 400, how we can check it is greater than reading value, okay, and less than 400. So these two conditions I am writing. So in computer how you can write the condition and the statement, okay, 200 greater than 200 and R is less than 400. That you have to write like this. Okay, if the condition true, it will calculate this calculation. Like that it will go, okay, one by one steps. So now we will see the program. First main function, then we have to how to write it, okay, units and customer number. So flow charges. So customer number and units consumed. How we can write the program for before examples. We will get the customer number as well as unit. So customer number and unit after calculating it, we will write the statement now. If unit is less than or equal to 200, charge equal to 50 rupees per unit. Okay. Else if unit is less than or equal to 400, okay. If it is 200, then if it is not, that means it is greater than 200, but up to 400 we are checking. Okay, then the calculation will be like this. Charges equal to 100 rupees plus 0.65 per unit. Then up to 200, some unit that is 100 rupees we are charging. Above 200 units, we have to multiply with 65 rupees. Okay. So here we have to check. Even that the second condition also fail means the reading may be not less than 400. So it may be 401. Okay. So up to 600 we are checking. If it is there, then it will calculate 230 rupees plus 80 paise per unit, which is how more than 400 units. Else. So finally, what we have to do? Even if it is not less than 600 means if it is above 600. So it's a default last statement. 390 rupees and we can multiply units minus 600. Okay, finally you can print customer number and charges. Okay, so this is a simple program. If you have doubt, you will comment or ask. Okay, I'm ready to explain line by line again. We will discuss the same topic in classroom also. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. So some guidelines we have to follow about indentation. What is indentation? Indentation means space. Okay. So main function is there. If I'm writing like this, it will start from here to here. So in case I will check the condition if means, so here I will start, this will be over here like, so from this to this, how much space I given, you see. Okay, that is the difference. This is the indentation. Where it is start, where it is over, we must be know. So for that purpose, we will give the space no, that is indentation. Provide at least 3 spaces for indentation. Okay. Align vertically else class. Wherever the else is coming, we will align one by one. So it is the if else statement, this will be open, this will be. So if in case inside another condition is checking means it will be over here. Like this, we will give the space. So easily you can identify the blocks. Okay. So these are some other conditions when you are writing the code, you must be use the indentation part. Okay. So now we are in the end of this video lecture. So after discussion of this topic, conditional statement with else if ladder, students should be able to write a C program using else if ladder conditional statements. So you know what is else if ladder conditions, how you can write the program also. So already we have discussed the sample program. You try to write some sample program. If you have doubt, you come and discuss. Okay. So again, the same problem I given for else if statement, no, nested if. So you can use this ladder statement to write the program for this same condition. We will check it in the classrooms. You work it out and come for discussion. Okay. So even I hope you are enjoyed in this video. You are understood how the ladder statement is working. Even if you have doubt, we can read the textbook in chapter 5 Balaguru Swami programming in NCC textbook with the decision making and branching topics. Even you can refer the weekly tutorial sheet for getting more clarifications. Thank you very much for listening this video. We will discuss next topic in next video. Thank you very much.